Best crystal for mental peace, the truth about amethyst that most people never learn. What if I told you that the greatest source of mental peace isn't something you buy, but something you slowly build inside yourself? And what if one crystal has been chosen, for thousands of years, as a symbol of calm, wisdom, emotional balance, and inner clarity? Today, we're exploring one of the most loved crystals in the world. Amethyst. But this isn't another video telling you that amethyst will magically remove stress overnight. Because that's simply not true. Instead, I'm going to share what amethyst has genuinely represented throughout history, what modern science actually says about crystals, why millions of people still feel deeply connected to this beautiful violet stone, and how you can use it as a powerful reminder to create more peace in your everyday life. By the end of this video, you'll understand why amethyst has remained one of the most respected crystals for centuries. So stay with me until the very end, because I'll also share how to know whether amethyst is truly the right crystal for your personal journey. Let's begin. What makes mental peace so difficult? Before we talk about amethyst, let's understand something most people overlook. Mental peace isn't the absence of problems. It's the ability to remain centered while life becomes unpredictable. Every single day, our minds absorb hundreds of worries. Work pressure, family expectations, financial stress, social media comparison, past regrets, future anxiety. The brain keeps jumping between yesterday and tomorrow, rarely resting in today. This constant mental activity gradually becomes emotional exhaustion. People often search for one quick solution, one habit, one technique, one miracle. But genuine peace has never worked that way. Real peace is built through awareness, healthy habits, emotional regulation, meaningful rest, and consistent self-reflection. And this is where symbolic tools, like crystals, can become meaningful. Not because they replace action, but because they remind us to return to it. The story behind amethyst. Long before modern wellness trends existed, amethyst had already earned deep respect across many ancient cultures. Its beautiful purple color naturally became associated with wisdom, spirituality, inner strength, and calm thinking. The name amethyst comes from the ancient Greek word amethystos, meaning not intoxicated. Historically, people believed it encouraged clear judgment instead of clouded thinking. Kings wore it. Priests treasured it. Meditators valued it. Not because everyone believed it possessed supernatural powers, but because it represented a disciplined and peaceful mind. Even today, when people look at amethyst, they often describe feeling reminded to slow down, to breathe, to reflect, to become less reactive. Sometimes, that reminder alone can completely change the direction of your day. What science actually says. Let's be honest. Many exaggerated claims exist online. Current scientific evidence does not confirm that crystals themselves emit healing energies capable of curing anxiety, depression, or medical conditions. If you're experiencing serious emotional distress, chronic anxiety, panic attacks, or depression, please seek support from qualified healthcare professionals. Crystals should never replace medical treatment. However, science also recognizes something very interesting. Objects can become powerful psychological anchors. When you intentionally associate an object with a positive habit, your brain begins connecting the two. Think about a wedding ring, a lucky charm, a family photograph. None of these objects physically create emotions, but they instantly remind us of certain feelings. Amethyst can work similarly. Every time you notice it, you may remember to breathe more slowly, pause before reacting, choose kindness over anger, release unnecessary tension. That repeated behavior, not the crystal itself, is what gradually builds healthier emotional patterns. And that's something both psychology and neuroscience recognize. Why so many people choose amethyst? There are thousands of crystals available today. Yet amethyst consistently remains one of the most popular. Why? Because its symbolism naturally aligns with what most people are searching for. Mental clarity, patience, balance, mindfulness, emotional resilience, a quieter mind. Many people place amethyst near their meditation space. Some keep it on their work desk. Others wear it as jewelry. Not because they're expecting instant miracles, but because they want a visible reminder to return to calm whenever life feels overwhelming. Sometimes the smallest reminders create the biggest long-term habits. How to use amethyst intentionally. Instead of asking, "What can this crystal do for me?" ask a better question. How can this crystal remind me to become the person I want to be? Here's a simple practice. Hold your amethyst for a few quiet moments. Take one slow breath, then another. Ask yourself, what am I carrying today that I no longer need? Stress, fear, overthinking, self-doubt? Simply acknowledge it. No judgment. Then choose one peaceful intention. Maybe, today I respond instead of react. Today I protect my energy. Today I allow myself to rest. Today I release what I cannot control. The crystal becomes your reminder. The transformation comes from your repeated actions. That's an important difference. A gentle daily ritual. Every morning. Spend just 60 seconds with intention. Look at your amethyst. Take 5 slow breaths. Notice your thoughts without fighting them. Set one meaningful intention for the day. Then continue your routine. At night, pause again. Ask yourself, did I honor today's intention? If yes, celebrate it. If not, forgive yourself. Growth is never perfect. Peace isn't perfection. Peace is returning to yourself, again and again. Common mistakes people make. One mistake is expecting instant transformation. No crystal can replace healthy sleep, balanced nutrition, movement, meaningful relationships, professional support when needed, or emotional healing. Another mistake is collecting dozens of crystals while ignoring daily habits. Remember, consistency will always outperform quantity. Even one meaningful practice, repeated every day, creates more lasting change than chasing every new spiritual trend. Is amethyst right for everyone? Not necessarily. Every person's goals are different. Some people want confidence. Some seek motivation. Some focus on abundance. Others simply want emotional balance. Amethyst is often chosen by people who wish to create more calm, patience, mindfulness, and thoughtful decision-making in their lives. The important part isn't following someone else's crystal collection. It's understanding your own intentions first. That's where real clarity begins. Before we continue, if you've made it this far, you're clearly someone who values genuine knowledge over myths. So here's something worth remembering. Choosing the right crystal bracelet isn't about following trends. It's about understanding yourself first. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can receive personalized guidance based on your own goals, so stay with me. Because the wrong combination may simply become another accessory. But the right combination can become a meaningful part of your daily mindfulness practice. Mental peace isn't found. It's created. One decision. One breath. One habit. One moment of awareness at a time. Amethyst isn't here to live your life for you. It cannot think for you. It cannot make your choices. But every time you see it, it can remind you of the kind of person you're becoming. Someone calmer, more patient, more aware, more compassionate. And perhaps, that's the greatest gift any symbol can offer. Personal Crystal Bracelet Blueprint. Remember that choosing the right crystal bracelet isn't about following trends. It's about finding combinations that truly match your personal goals, lifestyle, and intentions. If you'd like personalized guidance, I've created my personal crystal bracelet blueprint. Inside it, I'll recommend the crystal combinations best suited to your goals, explain which wrist to wear them on, how many bracelets can be combined safely, how to cleanse and charge them correctly, and how to use them intentionally in your daily routine. This isn't generic advice copied from the internet. It's personalized guidance designed to help you build a crystal combination that genuinely fits your journey. If that sounds valuable to you, you'll find all the details waiting in the description below. If this video helped you understand amethyst in a deeper, more honest way, then don't let this knowledge stop with you. Share it with someone whose mind has been carrying too much lately. Leave a comment and answer one simple question. What gives you true mental peace? Your answer might become the encouragement someone else desperately needed today. And if you believe crystal education should be based on wisdom, history, mindfulness, and honest guidance instead of unrealistic promises, then subscribe to Crystal Cove. Every video here is created to help you understand crystals with depth, authenticity, and practical purpose. Thank you for spending these moments with me. Until our next journey together, take care of your mind, protect your peace, and remember, the most powerful crystal will always be the one that inspires you to become a better version of yourself.